Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that all bell notification. In that way you won't miss any time I publish a new video. Also to mention, I started a new YouTube channel, Laura Force Videos too. So be sure to go across there, check it out, and of course, don't forget to subscribe over on that end as well. So to make our fruit smoothie, we're going to be using some coconut water that I got from my coconut tree, 2 bananas. These are small bananas. What I did, all these are frozen. So this, I had the fruits, and because I had extra, I put it in the freezer. So we're going to be using 2 of these size bananas, some papaya, some soursop, some coconut jelly. Again, this was from my tree. I got the coconut water, and this is the coconut jelly, and we have some blueberries. And of course, if you want to add sweetness, you can add honey to your smoothie. So let's get to putting everything together. I'm going to be using 2 cups of coconut water,